Welcome back to this shed.
Welcome back to this shed.
Today we're playing Omori.
Hey, Omori, you know what I'm saying? This game.
This
game,
is
it's
J-Boy's
kind of
favorite.
This is one of my favorite games. It's really good.
I hope so.
What's gonna happen if it's not?
It better be, or else we're deleting the shed.
Well, fuck.
Yeah, no more shed.
No.
So
Everything
you
is going
put
to
the
be
shed
okay.
on the line, buddy.
Yeah.
Well.
It's
All right,
all
guys.
you.
It was a fun final playthrough.
Ace
See
Attorney will
y'all,
not be concluding. Neither will
Nobody
Danganronpa
turned to
or
die.
anything else.
Your turn of time will never conclude because Nagi dies.
Everyone's favorite of Genosha.
That's not returning regardless.
No one likes that fucking series, including us.
Except Zackstar.
Honestly.
He loves it.
Zackstar is so freaking bleep,
Cringe.
bleep,
Bleep.
bleep,
Bro, it's a minute in. You can't do that. You can't say those yet.
bleep.
Welcome to White Space.
Welcome to White
It's
Space.
black.
Hey, White
That's
Space.
Whitewashing.
Whitewash.
This game's art style is so cool.
Oh, it looks
It's
like I
like
could draw
pencil
that.
drawings. Maybe you can. You have been living here for as long as you can remember.
Oh,
This is just like my house.
just like where I'm living right now.
Really? You live in
Kinda.
White Space?
Kinda. I live with white face.
Oh,
Clever.
I like that one.
Um,
Hey, can we have a talk after this video's over?
Yeah, my bad.
Nah, I'm joking, guys. I would never.
It's a Glimbo Glorbo Bubble.
Ah, well, good luck, Lalo.
No, you were running so quick.
Yippee!
How far can
this-
you go?
Dude. So, we're in White Space right now.
My sketchbook.
Oh, sketchbook.
Mm.
Open up.
Oh.
Ooh,
Okay, what we got? Oh.
that's actually cool. That's
Oh.
pretty cool too.
Oh. This is some pretty abstract art.
Mm-hmm.
I fuck with some of these.
Yeah, I fuck with a lot
That's
of
cool.
those. I fucking with those heavy.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, we got all that.
Take a sketch.
Yeah, there.
Tissues for doing the deed. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah. Same. Laptop.
I don't like that.
Okay.
But the brick wall.
Yeah.
Dude
Why?
does not fuck with bricks.
Everything was okay. Everything was okay. Everything was okay.
I mean, shit, everything's aight.
Yeah.
You know what they say.
Guys, I think Omori, this guy right here, has a...
A lot of problems.
Yeah.
No, he seems alright to me.
Oh,
look at this
dude,
cat.
put cat. Ooh.
Classic.
Meow.
Oh.
Oh.
Meow. Meow.
My bad. Hey, my bad. I'm still manly as hell.
That's alright.
Fucking Resident Evil ass door.
It really
Dude,
looks
it's
like the
great.
Resident Evil loading
White
screen.
door casts a faint shadow. Nothing. You stared at the door.
Stare at it.
So that's
door
exactly what
stares
I would
back.
do. Just look for
Bro.
the thing that fell, bro.
Bro.
Oh, yeah.
The light bulb?
Oh!
Hey! Fire!
Pitch black inside. You can't
How does
see
that
a
work?
thing. I feel
Ah,
like
you
that's
know.
incorrect.
You know. A knife?
Alright, I just
Use
got
the
it.
hand.
Just flip it, bro. Oh, shit. You got
Oh.
body.
Maybe you can't touch those
Don't
guys.
touch the hand. Did I get my knife
Let's
at
equip
least?
the knife. Yeah, you go to your menu. Do you want to do the menu?
No. Oh!
Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
you're so cool.
Equip the
Equip.
knife. Omori.
I know the audio's... I'm just gonna lower a little bit.
Ah, just a little. Just a tad. Low. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Now we're good.
Now
No,
we're
yeah.
cooking with gas.
Now we're locked in.
Oh, now we're cooking with gas.
Nope.
Ah!
Watch out for those freaks. Fucking
Freak.
weird, wiry ass freaks.
Freaking freak.
Fucking freakazoid.
Oh, it's a loop.
I gotta find him eventually.
Hey, your shoes are looking cool.
What are you looking for?
Did something fall?
We got what fell. The freaking knife.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
He stared at the door.
I wanna open this bitch.
Oh, you know.
Oh
you
my
go.
god.
Hey, the door opened.
We went under the
Chris
door.
is so good at solving puzzles.
Thanks, man. I do it on the daily.
Wait, really?
I'm a professional puzzle solver. Whoa!
Whoa, big cat.
Big
Oh
cat.
my god.
Jump,
Jumpies.
jump, 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 jump.
Me at the function.
What the
Oh
hell?
my god, Aubrey.
Aubrey
What do you guys
Plaza.
think of Aubrey?
Hi,
I love
Omori.
Aubrey.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, Omori. Oh wait, this is me, right?
I don't remember. I thought you wanted the pink hair girl.
Yeah, well, this is the pink hair girl, but she got blue hair here.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hi, Omori. We were hoping that you'd come by soon. You want to play cards with us? We were just about to start another game.
No.
Oh. Whoops. Never mind. Who's Kel?
Ooh.
This is a girl you said?
No, this guy's a man.
This is the boy robot?
Yo, mama, boy, robot.
Well,
Who wanna be bro?
Hold on, give me a second.
Okay.
I gotta feel this one up.
this is my Zack Star impression. Oh man, what the fuck, Aubrey?
What the-
You
Oh man, what the hell?
messed up all the cards.
All right, now that's just too accurate. You can't say that about Zach. He's not even here.
Zack Star, we love you, buddy.
Why now you're lying to him?
I was winning too.
I actually really like him. Oh, this guy's so cute.
Hey there, Kel. There's no need to get angry.
True.
It's just a game. You fucking loser.
Yeah.
Don't give me that, hero. You always say that because you were losing.
Ooh.
All right, listen, you gotta say all that shit. Calm down, bro.
He didn't have to be
Not
so
that deep.
mean. Alright, go talk to her. Why is Kel always so mean to me? You know, the other day, that good-for-nothing stole my stuffed toy and hid it somewhere in this room.
Toy.
Why would he do something like that?
How old are you?
He's so immature. I mean, what did I ever do to him? Fucking existed. Oh, I know. Can you find my stuffed toy for me, Omori?
Hell no.
Pretty please?
This music is still
Yes.
mad loud. Alright, stuffed
Find her
toy.
stuffed toy. What the best stuffed toy?
Is it the snake?
The sneak.
Ah, no,
That's a real
bad
one.
snake.
My god, it's
I can't make
Monica
snake
from the
noises.
Hickey and Doki Doku Literature Club.
I don't.
Oh, this is just like Dogi Dogi. How do I make a snake noise?
Why is the cat like looking at you?
I don't know.
Ew, it makes a gross noise.
Yo, the toaster.
A cat-shaped hole.
You think a kitty went through there?
4 boys are walking on railroad tracks. Okay.
Okay. Oh, the tentacle.
What is this
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
There was a watermelon. You pressed up in the watermelon. Is that?
You couldn't look 45
Could it
degrees to
be?
the right.
It was in a watermelon.
She spun around.
Yay! You gave her her toy. Hey, Kel! Look, it's my stuffed toy.
What the heck? Where did you get that?
Omori found it. Bitch. Lucky for me, I've got some real friends. I'm like, you're fake fucking ass.
Serves you right, dipshit.
Yeah, seriously right, fucking pussy.
You should know better than to pick on others.
But Aubrey started it. She was the one who was making fun of me the whole... for the mole on my...
On your... What?
My Peter Dinklage.
Ain't no way.
Oh, Aubrey.
Fine. On your what? Where is bro's mole located?
You gotta bring him? Let's ask him about,
Yeah.
about his mole. Man, Aubrey always gets what she wants.
Hey, Maury, I'm glad it's all settled.
Yeah.
Those two has always seen bumping heads. Mari and Basil invited us to a picnic at the playground. Did you want to go see them?
Yeah!
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Let's go see Maury and Basil.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the posse.
The whole
Dude,
crew is
The
here.
lineup is crazy.
Do your Kai voice for him.
I can't get that door. Going out, Omori. Here's your allowance for today.
We're both really struggling.
I
50
can't get it to pick
clams.
up on the mic. I even have my nose pressing off.
What the Sigma?
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 Where did he go?
Oh yeah, air at last. Gotta love that nature. Well, let's go. Wait,
Where's Aubrey? Hey, wait a sec. Help me up, guys. I'm stuck.
I usually skip this part.
Bro, they're like 12 years old.
Calm down.
Ain't
John's
no
not even
way.
here.
Only if you say
John's
please.
not even here. Hell, stop messing around and get me out of here.
Okay, fine.
Ooh, bonk.
Sounds
Or
like
die.
a
What the
deer.
hell? Look at his face.
Took you long enough.
Well, sorry. Excuse me, princess. That's
Dude,
a Zelda
I was
reference.
waiting for that when I saw the princess line.
For all you kids at
Excuse
home,
me.
that's a Zelda CDI reference.
Yeah, if you have
What
the
the
rubies, you'd be able to understand.
Oh,
these
who
are
is
the
that?
these are the hoopla bing bongs.
The hoopla. Oh my god. What the?
What the? Those really are hooplas
Dude,
and big
that guy's like a
songs.
grob looking guy.
These are the Glorbos.
Yo, is that,
Glebo Glebo.
yo, is that the is that the guy that looks like a girl?
Yeah, I like when they hop, when they talk, they just hop. Mari, Basil.
I'll voice the twink. It's fine.
Oh,
That guy's like a fan favorite. I mean, for good reason.
oh, hello, Aubrey.
Wants to... Yeah.
Hello, hello, everyone.
Hello,
Hello, everyone. My name is Aubrey.
Hello, everybody. My name is Aubrey.
How are you all doing today?
Well, hell's being mean to me again.
Oh no, not again.
Not again.
How could he?
How could he? Psh, I'm not being mean. Aubrey's just being all whiny.
Well, hell. You just made a very convincing point. Now I don't know who to believe.
The fuck? Believe me!
No, believe me.
Here, just turn to the camera like this is a fucking sitcom.
Yeah, for real.
Can you settle down? Why does it always have to be like this? A single
Poor
fucking
guy.
day. Chin up, hero. Look at you, being all responsible. Why does she sound like that?
What? You what? No, that's not.
That's crazy. Who made her sound like that?
Yeah,
I
who
really
made her
like that
sound
about
that?
you. Come on, Mari. Not now.
You gotta. There's the same voice now.
No, no.
Alright, listen, I'm trying. It is. Oh, hero. You know I'm just teasing. You're so cute when you're all flustered.
Oh no.
Oh nah.
Oh, nah. Jesus Christ. While we were waiting for you guys, Basil and I were just going through the photo album.
Oh.
Do you want to join us? We want to watch.
Of course, I love photos. After all, we're the ones in the pictures, aren't we?
That's so true.
Basil, get a load of this.
Get a hold of this guy.
What a little barnacles. Does Basil fucking speak?
Yeah. Oh,
Come on, Basil, take a picture of me.
oh, he's flexing.
Sorry, Cal, I only take photos of people when they least expect it.
You look like you like to take photos of people acting natural when they're not in front of a camera, right, Basil?
Yeah. There's something real special about everyone living their own lives. Those are the moments I want to capture.
Yeah.
Oh, so like, you just have to pretend you're not there. Yeah, I guess you can put it that way. Sure, I could do that. I can dig that.
I don't think I could keep this up, guys. I didn't think it would be this much already.
I can do this.
Did you want to show us your photo album now, Basil?
Okay.
I'm gonna do
But
this.
it's nothing amazing.
I feel like it's just get more mumbly as I go.
Oh, Basil, stop touting yourself.
It's just reading.
True. I'm sure they'll do great. Or be great.
You have higher standards of me than you think.
You got this.
You're right, Aubrey. Sorry. I'll try to behave myself more. Here. This way we can all see.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Oh, wowza.
Oh, wow.
Shift. Maury's teaching everyone how to make flower crowns.
These are really cute photos. It's great.
Maury and Kel are holding Maury's example. So pretty.
So pretty.
How do I look at it? Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
there we
you
go. They're really nice photos. Look at them, they're so cute.
Okay.
Yeah, now you can actually scroll through them without having to. Yeah. Oh, Basil, the girls and the gays and Basil.
Just the boys.
Maury and
No.
Kel gave up and ran off, but Aubrey and I got to hang out. Oops. Sticky keys.
Oh,
Oh
shit.
no! I got tiny.
Nah, bro, hold
Anyway,
shift
really-
for more than 5 seconds.
Really fast.
That's fucked up.
Hero's still making his flower crown. It's taking him a little while, but he's getting it. You have to admire his persistence.
Yeah, he's a good dude.
Everyone's
Oh,
eating
Aubrey.
watermelon. So juicy.
That's.
I wouldn't call it juicy. Aubrey has some seeds in her face.
I feel like that's. Is that racy? Can they say that?
Nah. I mean, yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Maybe,
Nah,
maybe someone
nah.
should tell her.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh. Mother's milk. Kel drinking a bottle of milk. His favorite.
Give me milkies.
I shouldn't get too close or he might get my camera wet.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Is that so Yori? Mari and Hero take a picture of us.
Is that fucking so Yori?
Everyone thinks a flower crown is blah blah blah.
Amazing, Miss Sarah. You're a prodigy at stealing people's hearts.
Amazing, Miss Sarah.
Beautiful. The rest of you, the riffraff. Don't you value your lives?
Riff raff.
Don't you value what others are kind? Death is only a matter of time for you. That's the way weaklings live.
Hero leaning in for a schmooch. Kel looks so annoyed. Ah, brotherly love.
What's so
Brotherly love.
You don't kiss your bros goodnight?
We're having a picnic
During the
today.
day?
Mari wanted to take a picture of everyone. Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Why legs are tiny? After eating, everyone fell asleep except Hero Mari. I'm cooking myself.
What an
Kel said he took a picture of himself on accident, but I don't believe him. All our feet in a circle. Send feet pics. Can you guess whose feet are whose?
Oh, I can get it.
60 dogs?
60 dogs?
Yo, count them. 10 on each foot. I mean, each
6
pair
people.
of feet.
Wow.
That's 60 dogs. You've been attacked by 60 dogs before. All these photos are so charming, Basil. You really know how to capture the moment.
Thanks. I didn't take all of them, though. Mari likes to steal my camera sometimes.
Oh, Maury.
Only sometimes. You bitch.
Hey, I have an idea. Did you all want to come hang at my house?
Oh, yeah.
I just finished planting some little sprouts and I wanted to show everyone. Come on, they're really cute.
What'd you just call me?
A sprout.
Fucked up.
Yeah, sure, that sounds fun. Let's go.
It's the south of the playground, right?
Yep, that's the way.
Vamonos.
I gotta have a word that gets me in Zach's voice. Like, Sarah!
Sarah! Oh, God. Say.
Oh, my bad.
It's okay.
I think I'll sit this one out. You all go on and enjoy yourselves. But if you're ever feeling weary, you could always stop by one of my pictures. Our picnics. Even better, I'll always have some refreshments nearby. And you can even save using my picnic basket. I don't know how the fuck that works, but some type of black voodoo magic. Oh, thanks, Mari.
Mari's the best.
You're always doing so much for us.
Bye, Mari. We'll see you again soon.
Run along now. Have some fun.
Jack, I think
I've
you
had
should be
it.
Mario. This guy's freaking me out.
This guy's
You know where to find me.
This guy's giving me the creeps.
I'm getting the
But really-
heebie-jeebies.
Who gave her that voice? Who let that happen?
What the happened, bro?
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
What the fuck?
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
You and your friends feel like new.
I love the sound effects in this game.
Let's talk to Chester over here.
Oh, that's Sanji.
Mickle. This is Sanji.
Swing to the moon.
I imagine like Dub-san. I'm gonna swing to the moon.
I'm gonna swing to the moon.
Uh-oh, this guy got a problem. Burley.
Oh, dude.
Okay, hold
Oh, yeah, this is a shame. You got this.
I'll be the big guy.
The big guy.
little guy's
Big guy's
took
got
on.
hands.
Hold on, real quick. How does Christopher Walken sound?
Hey,
don't
Omori, guess what? I don't know.
Yeah.
Foo Fighters.
Hey, Omori. Guess what? I really got some plans today. Big plans. I was just stay put for a while. You see what I mean soon enough.
Oh fuck.
Alright.
That's
That's scary.
His name is Van.
Uh,
Burley talks so
good day.
fast when he's excited. It gets really hard to keep up.
Bro's just
Yeah.
extra large casting.
True. Who the fuck is this? Oh, it's like a puzzle. All the pieces are blank. What the fuck? Who plays the puzzle like that? Oh!
Oh, I didn't think I'd have to do this again.
mhm.
Hey, that's not it. We'll just we'll
Hey.
just send it. Just wait 1 second. Where do you all think you're going?
You do it purposely terrible.
What do you mean? It was always on purpose. You can't leave without joining us for a game of hide and seek.
Stay and play with us. The more the merrier.
You want to play hide and seek again?
Again. But you know how it's turned out last time.
Yeah. Sorry, Burley. I think we're going to have to pass.
We're going to Basil's house now. So I
Basil
suggest you
fruit.
start walking.
Not so fast. You guys are trying to avoid me again? What's up with you two?
Too.
Is it my face? My rough exterior.
You're ugly. That's the problem.
At least I'm not as bad as the boss. It's a good timing thing that I banned.
Yeah, it's a good thing I banned.
Good thing. Oh,
Oh, what the?
I wonder what that moron is up to now. Good riddance.
It's a lot of Shane talking.
Yeah. So, you want to play hide and seek, Basil?
I can go either way. There's no rush to get to my house after all. I think I'll leave it up to Omori. What do you want to do?
Let's play hide and seek.
Dude, we gotta play hide and seek with this bitch.
Omori, my best friend,
My best friend.
Come on, you know how to play hide and seek, don't you? No, you just
No, I've never played before.
Now,
in my life.
he's back to the normal standard. Come on, you know how to play hide and seek, don't you?
Yes,
all the
we
voices
love
I'm
hide
using
and
hurt in my throat.
That's what I thought.
What I thought. What's stopping you then? Come on, let's play. I'll round everybody up. Everybody, who's everybody?
I love hide and
That's
seek.
right.
The
I
whole
think
Gorbo gang.
KG is kind of close to Christopher Walken, huh?
Yeah, huh?
What the?
This
Wait,
don't.
we even got the creeper.
All right, Mac kids. Here's the rules.
Dude, Van got candy on his back.
Us got caked up. We're gonna be entertaining ourselves with a little game of hide and seek. Here in my hands, I got straws. See? Everyone's gotta pick a straw.
That one got me.
One of the shortest straws is gonna be it. Don't have to find everybody else. Sounds easy enough, right?
I mean, it sounds pretty easy.
There's no way.
We're gonna get the shortest straw, aren't we?
I'm gonna guess Omori's gonna get the shortest. We all got our straws. Good? No? Now who's gonna be it?
Not me.
Ha ha ha. Couldn't
Not
be me.
us. Nuh-uh.
Well. Looks like the one with the shortest straw is Omori.
What?
Of course. Of fucking course. It's gotta be
Who would
Riggs.
have thunk it?
Sarah! Oh, wait.
Yes, Sarah!
Omori, is it?
Omori!
Omori.
But Omori doesn't like to be alone.
Are you gonna be okay, Omori?
I can take your place if you want. I don't mind, really.
Why is everyone so nice to us?
Hey, I could hear you plotting over there. The straws make the rules, not me.
Oh.
Come on. Don't be babies. It ain't so bad. Omori will be fine. Jesus Christ, there's so much. When you're ready to play,
Oh,
welcome.
Alright.
Oh,
Eyes closed.
Oh, shit.
oh shit.
Go. Oh. What? You found me! Now we're gonna be fine, everyone. Just don't tell Burley about this, got it? Dude, that's such a Zach move.
Early. Such a Zach move, TBH.
I don't think she's a part of it.
Okay. No. I don't need you.
Or literally
Mari got
already missed somebody.
no voice, Mari. He wouldn't even speak.
Nose goes.
Nose goes.
You're too loud. You will hear us. Nose goes. Mine goes. Be quiet, nose. We're hiding, remember?
Which one is...
Why are they smokers?
Haha! We found you, Bun and Nose.
Nose. He found us. Nose goes. Nose. Oh, you know, let's stay mad, you. Let's go, please.
Patty cake.
Okay.
I almost maintained it the whole time without fucking bursting a blood vessel.
Turns out, there's not many places to hide here for a guy my size. But this was still fun. As long as Burley is happy, I'm happy.
Oh, what a nice dude. To be honest. He's a
Who
little
the
bro
fuck?
there.
Oh, darn, you found me.
Yeah, I was thinking the exact same thing.
I guess that
fits for
means
this
I
one.
lose, huh? You really know what Happy would say, right? He'd say something like, Bangs, you should always try your best at everything. I want other people to see how awesome you are. Next time, I guess. Why is bro so depressing for no reason?
Oh, bro, that guy's hiding awfully.
Is that a
Charlene.
Darlene.
That's
Gosh,
it.
Darlene.
Banana.
What are they doing down there?
The eternal banana.
Maki Harakawa? Sean and Ren. Huff, huff.
We're not playing. We're exercising. Jack.
Yeah, no, don't worry, he's in bed. We're okay, guys. I won't get yelled at this time.
I thought you were gonna just scream as loud as you can.
Nicole.
Oh, wait, oh, shit. Huh? Where am I?
I wanna.
Huh? Where am I?
Look at the
Oh. I was dreaming that I was on a private beach with servants fanning me with palm trees, leaves on every side. You free Friday night? Went suddenly. Wow! And now here I am. Yeah, it's a Sanji thing. Remember that? I must have
No.
fallen asleep while hiding. Here he's like,
Hey, gorgeous. Look at me.
Hey, gorgeous. You free Friday night? Oh,
Am I the only one who doesn't know this?
Yeah, you don't know the 4Kids dub Sanji?
No.
It goes so hard.
He has like a thick, like, Boston.
Wait, what are we a
accent.
gif of it? Hold on, I'll put it
Why?
in the journal chat.
Hey, gorgeous.
This one. Hey, I love a girl who treats me like dyke. Hey,
Dyke.
gorgeous.
He
You
does.
remember me, right? Hey, chat, you're free Friday? So real.
That's crazy.
Oh, shit, it's Aubrey. Aw, you found me. Darn. Let's go find everyone else together, Omori.
I love her so much.
I love her.
Just one shot, Omori, please.
Is that not everyone? Oh, we gotta find the little guy. We gotta find Christopher Walken.
Christopher Walken.
Wait, is that him in the trash? Nope. Boing, it's me happy. You found me, so that means I gotta
okay.
do something else now. Oh, I know. I'm gonna count the alphabet backwards. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, Q, O. Wait, O, M. O, M, O.
That was kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie.
Those bars.
That's how he talks.
Yeah, hard bars.
Mailbox.
Suspicious.
Mailbox.
Why is it suspicious?
Where's little
Oh,
guy?
You gotta go. Is there like? Can you go to the next area?
Is there just next area, or are these guys like guarding?
I don't know.
Whisper, 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 whisper. Probably shouldn't disturb us. Oh shit, you found me hiding behind a tree.
Nah.
Can you go up?
Sarah!
Sarah! How is he not behind a tree? That's such an easy spot to hide. Yo, yo.
Yo yo.
Egg.
Oh, wait, there, look. Heroes with them. On the bottom left. Wasn't there before.
Oh my god, bro's
Hey.
bro's a ninja. Oh hey guys. You know, I found a really good hiding spot, but Sean and Ren invited me to join them over in their exercise routine. It's not fun.
It's fun!
It's not.
fun and good for you.
Gold. You guys should really try this. It's really a workout.
I was doing the plea emoji.
Oh man, I'm so tired.
Oh man, I'm so tired.
It's so tired.
You really don't know how to say no to anyone, do you, hero?
When will my stream work? Okay, I'm back. Come on, hero. We gotta help Omori find everyone else.
Alright. I'm coming. What?
What?
Bye Sean, bye Ren, this was fun.
Yeah, let's do this again sometime. Blah, blah, blah.
We see you.
need a green hair boy. Maybe he's in like a tree for real because his hair green.
True.
Jack, do you know and you're just not saying, or do you not know?
No, I actually
Oh,
forgot that.
Oh, hold on. Go to the middle. Is it the little lump with the straw sticking out?
Wait a second.
Whoa,
Oh,
there it is.
was that? Wow.
What?
Took you guys long enough. I thought I was gonna suffocate in there. Why do I always forget? How do I always forget how bro talks? How do you like my hiding spot? Pretty good, huh?
No.
I feel like it's just Christopher Walken having a stroke. It looks like you pretty much found everybody else too. Unexpected, but I like it. Let's do final roll call.
I picture. I don't know why I hear Shane Thompson. Let's head up.
Ben,
Here as always, buddy.
I got to go one by one. Oof. Darlene,
Here.
Mikal,
Are you snoozing?
Wait.
Who's
Hold on, I
snoozing?
got
Where's-
you. I got you. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hey, gorgeous. What gives?
Gives. Hey, gorgeous. I love a girl to be like, doit.
Here.
Browse,
Just screaming.
Bangs, here, Bun,
I don't. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Nose,
Nose goes.
Yes.
Hero,
Oh
Present.
shit.
Oh,
Why so cute? Cal,
Bro, man,
Yawn.
pretty.
You really gotta do this every time, Burley. Oh fuck.
Oh, damn.
Hey, that was uncalled for.
well,
Oh,
Oh.
one more time, I swear to God.
Aubrey. Wait, no. it's-
Aubrey.
Little spin.
Here I am. La-da-dee, la-da-dum, la-da-doo.
Oh, we didn't do basil.
Yeah,
You
where's
forgot?
bro? Yeah.
That's strange. I thought him go hiding rear that tree over there.
Basil! Where are you? Can you hear us?
Basil! You can come out now. You already won.
He ain't coming out.
Hello.
Oh!
Hi. Oh,
Oh, shoot.
falls out of the tree, dead.
Hey, there's Basil.
Basil, are you okay? Are you stuck? What the?
What the
What?
fuck?
I honestly didn't expect that.
Ooh.
Boss, I should have known it was you. You good for nothing scoundrel? I thought he was the
Bring out
boss.
some
Why is he the
big
scoundrel?
words.
Let Basil go.
Yeah, what did Basil ever do to you?
Hazel is our friend. Don't you dare hurt him.
Let go of Basil, boss.
I hope
Yeah,
I hope they don't hurt my twink.
He didn't do anything wrong.
You stupid heads!
Ooh.
You think this is about Basil?
Chills.
Don't play dumb. You know why I'm here. How dare you not invite me to hide and seek?
Oh,
I'm the one who showed you all how to play in the first place.
damn.
You're not even playing it right. How can you call it hide and seek without any body slamming?
I think broke out the wrong hide and seek.
My flower crown!
Oh god. Hey, that's the flower crown we made for Basil.
How could you? Let go of him, you bully. No! If I can't play with everyone, then no one can.
Oh my god, this guy's fucked up in the
This
head.
is a boss-only zone now.
Oh.
And you're not invited!
Oh. Chills.
Oh shit. Fight. Attack. Bam!
Yes.
Aubrey will... What are we at? Pep talk? Makes a friend
I will attack him.
Guard. Oops.
I will attack him.
Everyone attack. Oh. Everyone attack. No way. To whom? Here will also.
It is pretty much just a glorified tutorial.
You weaklings. You call that an attack? Oh shit.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Almost dead, like for real.
Don't worry, I'm gonna die.
Snack, bro.
Please help.
Dead pole.
Please, someone do something. Oh my god.
Let's attack him again. Aubrey.
I will attack him.
No, you will guard.
Oh, okay. I will guard.
Hey, that kinda hurt. This isn't fun anymore.
Bro, I'm done with this
Bro's gonna
stupid
lock
boss
in.
guy. Walk in.
Lock
The boss
in.
walking in.
Make him sad. What's the benefit of inflicting your teammates with this stuff?
Funny?
I'm not gonna be that guy.
Cook,
I'll let the
heals
game
a friend.
teach you, 'cause they're gonna teach you.
Yo, let him cook.
Let him cook.
No, he has a different look for what he said. That's cool.
Yeah.
We're really cooked on that turn.
Or cooked.
Everyone attack!
Run!
Are we like killing him?
Yeah, we're
Like, for
beating the
real?
shit out of him. He's gonna die. Just
Lost
like
2 juice.
Shane on
Ugh.
October
Now
27th,
you've made me
2023.
angry. It's time for my special move.
Fuck, no.
Oh,
No!
Holy shit, holy shit.
The body swim.
Omori
Did
did
not
not
succumb.
succumb.
Well, Mori did not succumb.
Huh?
He didn't come.
How are you still moving?
Mori survived the
Oh my
body
god, I
slam.
get it. We're toast.
Fight!
Yeah, they're toast.
Launch the cannons! Launch the
Oh, let's
nukes!
go.
W life, W
Give me back
Omori,
my
W
twink.
hero, W kill.
Oh, like
This
he's not
isn't
actually
fair! Rematch! I
Nah,
want a rematch!
It's just,
Get the fuck
Dude,
out
this
of
voice
here.
hurts more than Sakura.
Basil, are you hurt?
Don't worry about me. I'm just fine. Boss, it must hurt to see people have fun without you. But that doesn't mean you can ruin other people's fun.
True.
I know that.
Then why'd you attack us, Bob?
There. Does that feel better?
Basil! Are you sure it's okay to do that?
door for my cat.
Boss, bad news.
Aw, you're an invisible cat.
It's a good thing Omori held on during that final attack, or else we'd have all been toast.
Toast.
It's okay, I trust him. When you were all fighting, he tried really hard to make sure I didn't get hurt.
Is that true, boss? Oh, brother's getting all cute.
It's a load of baloney. I don't need to hear these lies. This is my spot. No one is welcome here.
Alright, cutie.
I mean, if he says so. Well, he probably won't be a problem as long as he stays like that. As a tree forever. I guess that means we can all go to Basil's house now, right?
Yippee! That sounds good to me. We're leaving now, boss. Don't cause any trouble, okay?
Yeah, word.
Word to my mother.
No,
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
W boss, man.
Can I stop talking as Christopher Walken?
Yeah. And thanks for watching the first part
Thank
of
you for
Omori.
Oh, Omori, thank you for watching.
Omori, the hit character Omori from Omori.
We got Omori, 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 we got Omori.
Yeah. And we have Cat.
Cat.
Oh, we got
Cat.
Cat.
we got the
More
cat
time on the
here.
next episode of Omori.
Yeah.
46 minutes? Holy shit.
Bye,
Yeah.
guys.
Bye.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring was like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me.
Testicular kind. It's a whole problem to the whole mankind. Testicular torsion. Testicular torsion. Torsion. Testicular. Torsion. Torsion.
Torsion. Boom, 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 boom,
Testicular torsion. That's heat. Testicular torsion. 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 Testicular.